You ready to make some money with your YouTube channel? Duh, Andrea, that's why we clicked on this video today. Today, I'm gonna show you how much money I have made from one YouTube channel with one revenue stream with over 35 million views, something like that, in about 2 years' time. And I'm gonna show you the revenue that I have made in just the past 28 to 31 days. Really quick. And by the way, if you hear my 3-year-old in the background, have no fear. My husband is with him. Someone tested positive for COVID in his daycare, so he has been home for 14 days. Yes, fun, I know. All right, when I first got started on YouTube, people would blow up. Their channels would blow up, and it would be like a surprise. Like, I do not know why my channel blew up. I just must be special at this YouTube thing. And then you think to yourself, like, if you're working hard on your YouTube channel, like I also do and did, maybe YouTube is not for me because I'm struggling over here. I mean, I got blood, sweat, and tears. I'm putting hours into this thing, and I'm not seeing the success that you got. And here you are over here just looking like you blew up overnight and made it look so easy. But let me tell you something. Everybody is working hard on YouTube. It's just that some make it look like they blew up overnight. But my friend, I'm telling you, you can do it too. Sometimes you just need more at-bats. You need to make more videos. You need more time on YouTube and the platform and figuring out what an audience likes. Let me show you something here really quick before we dive into the money, which is what you came for, because this is going to help give you some inspiration and hope. I have several YouTube channels so that I can be a mad scientist and experiment and be the best teacher for you. I absolutely love video creation, so I've chosen something that I love to become a teacher at it. But this channel right here, I think it's Sorrel, my friend, she has grown quickly. This finance channel, she didn't start a finance channel. She's been at YouTube for a while. She created a travel channel or something to begin with. So when you see people that are doing really well at YouTube, chances are they have other channels. This isn't their first at-bat when it comes to YouTube. And why does Sorrel choose finance? Well, I haven't spoken to her personally, but I know that finance is one of the most profitable spaces to be in on YouTube. So my guess is that had something to do with it. Also, at the end of the day, the number one thing that I want you to remember with every single video that you create for your channel is this. The algorithm follows people's interests over time. Why does the algorithm follow people? Because that's how YouTube makes more money. YouTube wants to serve up people what people want. YouTube wants it so you never be leaving the YouTube platform. They want you on YouTube like 3, 4, 5, 6, 100 hours per day. So follow what people are interested in within your space. This is blurry. Let's look a little blurry. Back it up on me. Back it up on me. Oh, the other thing I want to share with you is that I didn't see any money from the Google AdSense program. I talk about other ways to make money outside of the Google AdSense program for a year and a half. So if you want to make money with Google AdSense, it can take some time, but it's worth it. It is 100% worth it. Also, treat YouTube like a business. You're gonna get out of YouTube what you put in to YouTube. But here's the beauty. You get to decide when you work, how much you work, and what you create when you are creating YouTube videos. You have 100% freedom and flexibility in your life. There are some months where I work a lot of hours, and there are some months where I put up one cleaning hack video per week that took me about an hour to figure out what I wanted to do, film and edit it. So 4 hours of effort, let's just say that, to make over $10,000 just from one revenue stream, which is the Google AdSense program. I would say that's a pretty nice part-time gig. The other thing to keep in mind is that for half of 2021, that's all I did is one cleaning video per week because I was building a course, I'm writing a book. There's other things that I'm working on, just like you are probably have other things in your life that you are working on as well. So, I mean, that's pretty amazing to still have this passive income rolling in from videos that you made a year ago, 2 years ago. Heck, I've seen videos on YouTube over 8 years ago. You ain't finding that on Instagram and Facebook. So currently I have been in what's called a sprint mode with my cleaning hack channel, which means that I'm uploading a lot of videos per week for a short period of time, which I think is 2 to 3 months, considering a year's 12 months. And this is how much revenue that I have generated so far in the past 30 days. Yes, that is mind-blowing. And remind you, I'm not working 10 hours a day, 7 days a week. I got other things going on. I have other YouTube channels. I'm writing a book. So this is pretty good for doing a sprint sort of stint on my YouTube channel. I do this with all of my YouTube channels because then I can experiment with a bunch of stuff. I can figure out what the outcomes are. I can get laser focused on the thing. And then I'll step back for a few months and maybe only upload 1 video a week. It's completely up to you. Now, if you are looking for 5 additional ways to make money with your YouTube channel, click this video on screen now. Give this video a thumbs up so that I can reach more goal-driven, motivated people like you. Lots of freebies in the description box for you. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.